In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. F is equals to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. If temperature is 30 degree, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? If the temperature is 95 Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? If the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? Is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both the Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. So let's solve from the second part, that is if Celsius is 30 degree. So we can write it as F is equals to 9 by 5 into 30 plus 32. So by solving this we get Fahrenheit. So it will come out to be 5 6. So this will is 54 plus 32. So Fahrenheit will come out to be 86 degrees at 30 degree Celsius. Third part, that is if we have 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is the Celsius scale? So we will write 95 is equals to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So 95 minus 32 is equals to 9 by 5 C. This will become 63 into 5 divided by 9 is equals to C. So this will become 35 degree Celsius. Celsius is 35 degree at 95 degree Fahrenheit. Fourth part, if temperature is 0 degree Celsius and if temperature is 0 point, that is at C is equals to 0. So this will become F is equals to 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32. So F is 32. When F is 0, so this equation will become 0 equals to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So 32 is equals to 9 by 5 C, and minus 32 into 5 divided by 9 is equals to C. So C will come out to be minus 17.78 degree Celsius. And the fifth part, is there a temperature which is numerically the same for both Fahrenheit and Celsius? So if suppose Fahrenheit is equals to Celsius, let it be X. So equation will become X is equals to 9 by 5 into X plus 32. So we need to find it. X minus 9 by 5, X is equals to 32. X will be common, so X 1 minus 9 by 5 is equals to 32. And the next step is one minus 9 by 5 will become X into minus 4 by 5 in is equals to 32. So x is minus 32 into 5 divided by 4. X is equals to minus 40. That means at minus 40 degrees Celsius, both the Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale are equal at minus 40 degree. Now let's solve the first part, that is to draw the graph for the above equation. So this is the graph. We know that at minus, from the graph we can say that at minus 40 degree, both the Celsius scale, that is at x-axis, and Fahrenheit scale, that is at y-axis, are equal. So you can take different values of Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale as we have taken in the other parts.